PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann with the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday morning, the 27th day of June. And again, it looks like we'll have a fairly decent chance of getting some rain at times over the next 3 days. Let's go right to some Skycam shots this early Friday morning. Hey, that's a nice scene there. That's the Decatur Skycam. Wow, that's nice. The water of the Tennessee River down below as the daylight process begins. Way down south, there's our Gulf of Mexico Skycam on top of the Phoenix All Suites, looking back off to the east in the direction of Orange Beach. And downtown Birmingham, sky mostly fair this morning. Here's our water vapor satellite shot. A good supply of moisture covers the deep south. Big storms in progress up north at this point. Got a severe thunderstorm watch for a segment of northeast Oklahoma and southeastern Kansas for that big MCS there until 8 o'clock this morning. In terms of the organized severe weather today, best chance from around Lubbock, Texas, and Amarillo, Texas, up to Milwaukee and Indianapolis and Minneapolis. That would include Kansas City and St. Louis and Des Moines. Also a slight risk around Washington up to New York City. Tomorrow there is a slight risk of severe weather all the way from the plains of eastern New Mexico up into western New York State, and that includes the northern third of Alabama. And on Sunday, the severe weather risk is defined from the Carolinas up into New England along our front. Here's the QPF graphic for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday evening, and this is suggesting rain amounts of 1 to 2 inches across much of Alabama. And we'll take that. We're starting to lag behind in most areas. Birmingham has a surplus, but we're an outlier. Most everybody else is deficient from 5 to 10 inches now. And while tropical storm formation is not expected down there in the Gulf, there is a nice supply of moisture, and that should be pulled northward, and it's beginning to look like Sunday could be the day with the most widespread rain, with that moving in from the south and a surface boundary and upper trough moving in from the northwest. This is where we should be today at 1 o'clock. This is the OZGFS at 500 millibars. And the westerlies, the core, of course, are up north. Around here, we've got the moist air in place, and again, we should see action on the radar today. We actually didn't see as many as we thought yesterday, but again, looking at that, you'd think there certainly will be quite a few out there today. And those could be fairly strong if we see a lot of sunshine this morning. Now, tomorrow, the GFS is beginning to give us the idea that we might see a little lull tomorrow. The deeper moisture is shunted off to the east. It looks like a little shortwave might provide some sinking air that might offset the moisture. So we'll still mention scattered showers and storms, but sure beginning to look like this might be the bigger day for the rain. That would be Sunday. Nice trough developing from the Tennessee, or from the Great Lakes right down the Mississippi River Valley. And down below that, the surface front is around Memphis at 1 o'clock Sunday afternoon. That should mean scattered to numerous showers and storms. And again, we sure hope we get some good rain that day, because Monday, dry air begins to drop in. Nice trough, very anomalous for this time of the year over the east. And a surface boundary should be below Birmingham. And that means from Birmingham north, the day should be dry. The better chance of showers from probably Montgomery south. And Tuesday, all of Alabama in dry air. It looks like a mostly sunny day. And Wednesday looks dry at this point. And you know, we're getting close to Independence Day. Let's keep on going. Thursday, moisture begins to work its way northward, so there might be a shower or two around. And for the 4th of July, a week from today, a muggy air mass. That looks very typical for this time of the year. Partly sunny, hot, humid. A few spots getting an afternoon storm. We've got 4 more days, the 8th of July. Still got a trough over the east, and that shows a surface boundary kind of stalling out down here, and that could be fairly wet if that's right. The end of the forecast period, the 12th, So you had 594 circle going there north of here, big old ridge expanding across the country. That looks like maybe some of the hottest weather of the summer so far. And, hey, it's mid-July. What do you expect? And down below that, though, we've got a pretty moist air mass, so at least there could be some scattered showers or storms around for some temporary cooling. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 today or so. We invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.